Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the black screen problem in TikTok Live Studio. Start by closing TikTok Live Studio. Then restart your computer. This simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause the black screen. If your camera or display still shows black, check your computer settings. On laptops with two graphics cards, the software may use the low power card instead of the correct one. To fix this on Windows, right-click on your desktop and choose Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. Here you can set which GPU an app should use. Click on Browse and find TikTok Live Studio on your computer. After you add it, click Options. Choose High Performance and then click Save. This tells your computer to use the main graphics card for Live Studio. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open your video card control panel and update the drivers. Old drivers can stop Live Studio from capturing video correctly. After updating, restart Live Studio. Finally, as a last solution, you can use a capture card or a virtual camera tool. To use it, plug your camera into the capture card using HDMI or USB. Then connect the capture card to your computer. Open TikTok Live Studio and choose the capture card as your video source. Your camera or screen should now appear in Live Studio. Thanks for watching.